Hello, welcome back to my channel Alitech. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix error while you're exporting your video on Kinemaster. So this problem is occur because you have downloaded the mod version Kinemaster from Zamil, so that's why you cannot exporting your video. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix that. So it's so simple. So firstly, what you're gonna to do is you go to setting, and then you find advanced and experimental setting, then allow export frame rate up to 60 fps, then allow import frame rate up to 240 fps, then allow unlimited video layer mode. That's all. So after that, go to device capability information, then click on three dot up there and run analysis, hardware performance analysis. Just wait, just a little bit wait. So after that, it will show you your capability device. So what you're gonna do next is just go to your video, and hopefully it's working.